Welcome to our SAP IBP release highlight, featuring characteristics-based planning with shelf life. Effective shelf life management is essential for maintaining product quality, ensuring regulatory compliance, and minimizing financial losses from expired inventory. Let's examine our scenario. We have demand for Magic Elixir at the U.S. distribution center. There are two critical requirements. The supply must be qualified for the U.S. market with potency 02, and it must have a minimum remaining shelf life of 100 days to meet our quality standards. By planning at this CBP attribute combination, demand is directly linked to this specific product segment. Let's go to the detailed view. Here you can see that this forecast incorporates the relevant CBP attributes and a minimum remaining shelf life of 100 days. With 200 units currently in stock, let's check out the stock situation. In the View Stock Details app, we can examine three distinct batches. Based on the forecast CBP attributes, only batches CBP and CBP2 are suitable for planning. Although batch CBP3 has sufficient shelf life, it is not qualified for the U.S. market. Meanwhile, batch CBP is approaching its expiration date, whereas the CBP2 batch remains valid until November 1st. In the past, planners spent hours conducting separate checks, facing difficult choices. Ship a compliant product that expires upon reaching the customer, leading to waste and potential damage to reputation. Or ship a fresh product that does not meet regulatory standards, risking audits and fines. Let's run the supply planning job. With this single planning run, all constraints are evaluated simultaneously. The system quickly identifies that a portion of the existing stock meets both requirements and automatically triggers the creation of supply at a compliant plant with the correct shelf life parameters. This enables decision-making in one streamlined run, eliminating the need for multiple manual iterations. Now, let's look at the results. To meet demand, a new stock transfer requisition with the appropriate CBP attributes, a quantity of 50, and sufficient shelf life is created. Let's explore the order network to see how the forecast is fulfilled. In this scenario, we observe that existing stock was utilized to satisfy the forecast and new supply was created. Batch CBP2 was selected due to its sufficient remaining shelf life and matching characteristics. Additionally, a stock transfer requisition was created with the expiration date determined by the shelf life maintained in the transportation lane. Now let's look how the total fulfillment happened. A new planned order is visible with an expiration date derived from the production data structure. The stock transfer requisition requirement is also available, along with the minimum required shelf life. This streamlined process highlights the transformation from the old reality to the new. Before, planners faced hours of manual work, compliance gambles, and potential waste. Now, decisions are made ensuring guaranteed compliance and optimal inventory utilization. Now you've seen CBP with shelf life in action. All constraints, one intelligent decision. Thanks for watching.